Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for a box break 91. This is for the single box of Contenders 2011-2012. It's 1034 on April 14th, 2013. And here is our box. Serial number is a little tough to see. There we go. And good luck to all of you. For the New Jersey Devils, Keith Kincaid Calder Contenders out of $9.99. Base cards. Base cards. Base cards. Oh, that's pretty cool. We have a Craig Smith Gold Calder Contenders. Little piece of patch. Very cool, as you can see. 88 out of 100. Those are base cards. As with all of these cards that I seem to pull, the edges and corners are average at best, but it's the nature of that card. But that's very, very cool hit. For the Philadelphia Flyers, an on-card NHL Inc. Zach Ronaldo autograph. For the Anaheim Ducks, Cup Contenders Corey Perry, $9.99. Couple more base cards. Base pack. For the LA Kings, we have a Luke Robitaille Contenders Legacies out of $9.99. We have a Cup Contenders for the Leafs, James Reimer. also at a $9.99. I think we're expecting, or I'm expecting, at least one more autograph. So we have the Ronaldo, we have the Smith. More base packs. And our last two packs for this box. Too many base cards. Alright, finally, we have our last autograph for the Ottawa Senators out of 800 Eric Condra Calder Contenders. Alright, thanks so much for your participation, everybody. These cards are going to get processed, not tonight. Hopefully, the plan is Monday, and then they'll get mailed out on Tuesday. So, thanks again. Bye.